rookie to legendary. Yes, welcome back everyone. You're listening to Sound K and I'm your DJ Stephanie. So K-pop has been constantly growing from the 1990s to 2014. It's already 2014. If we didn't have the classics from the 90s, who knows where K-pop would be today. Well, introducing Rookie to Legendary, where we provide you with all your K-pop needs. We will listen to the songs that made the 90s special and to songs from rookies, artists that dreaming of K-pop stardom. So join us in the studio today. We do have Young Gita of GateFlowers for Rookie to Legendary. Hello, hello.
Hello.
Oh my goodness.
I know.
It's been a while.
It's been a while.
It's been almost 3 weeks.
Yeah, it seems like, it feels like so much longer than that.
Exactly. Yeah. Oh, did you miss me?
Of course. Of course.
You're like,
you're like
embarrassing.
It's like instantly came out. Like, of course.
No, you didn't.
Yes, you just came out.
You were like, just like 3 seconds. Oh, yes, I did.
Nah,
no, I'm just kidding. So how'd you been?
Okay,
like it's
been,
today.
I am tired because, our band, GateFlowers,
right.
we finally, done our master CD, it will come out really soon.
So, even you weren't here, you were busy.
Yes, I was busy.
Finishing up your album.
Yeah.
How's it going?
It sounds
so
great.
far?
Yeah,
Really?
It's gonna be a great album. I hope.
I'm sure it will be. When are you gonna release the album though?
Soon.
Oh,
soon.
You're like hiding it. It's a secret.
Uh-huh.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Because you know what? You're smart. Because these days, so many artists gonna make a comeback.
Right.
And unfortunately, because we had this accident, ferry capsized, and that's why we couldn't invite you. But because of that, a lot of artists were showing their support by postponing the albums and
the release date.
Right. So even me, I'm participating making the album, the music album, but I'm trying to be a little patient about it because I don't want to get into trouble because a lot of this famous artists gonna come back and everyone's gonna be on the stage, at the same time. I'm like looking at the timing. Timing's everything.
It's important. But, we are not really going to care about when to release, considering, how many artists, this is like a survival, but we don't really want to care about that.
Well, that's,
once the music is great, we feel really confident. You know what I mean, right?
Oh, you're really confident.
You're
like, yes.
Can't wait just forever.
Nod your head. Just nod your head. You're like, yes. Look at that. Look at that. All right. Anyway, so you've been great. You've been working on your albums, and that's for 3 weeks, and now you're finishing up. Right?
Yeah, it's done. It's done.
Great,
everything's done now.
Well, I was here every single day, but I really missed you.
Thank you very much.
Especially because we didn't have any segment corners. So I'm very excited about today's Rookie to Legendary because, and especially for the rookies, I'm not that familiar with today's rookie.
Right.
So I'm ready to listen to your information. So are you ready?
I am ready.
Okay, so who is our...
Okay.
Rookie today.
This rookie,
talk about.
Although he's in his 20s, seems like he knows a lot about life.
Oh.
He's going through a lot of let's say hardships.
Oh, hardships.
Yes.
Okay, so who are we talking about?
He is a finalist of Superstar K Season 5. Park Si-hwan.
Park Si-hwan.
Yes.
Wait a minute. Well, I didn't see the Season 5 Superstar K because unfortunately I don't have TV in my dormitory.
That's very good. You can have your own quiet time.
You know what? I don't have a TV. I don't have a PC.
No?
No.
You got your internet connection,
yes, I use my cell phone. Yes, my smartphone.
Way to the world.
I'm like I'm like blocked. I'm by myself and I'm doing anything. But I have kids. You know, the kids. I say my dog.
Great. That's everything.
No, it's not real kids, you know.
I know.
You know what I'm talking about,
Yes,
right?
yes.
Don't get wrong. I'm a puppy.
Yeah,
I call her,
yeah,
she's my
understand.
daughter, you
All
know.
right, all
But
right.
anyway, so Park Si-won, right?
Next one.
Wasn't he the winner?
No, well, in the very beginning, many people thought that he would be the final winner.
Oh.
But, the winner
Uh-huh.
is Park Jae-jung.
Oh,
He won
that's
the
right.
first place.
Park Jae-jung.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, right. So, I mean, he gained a lot of popularity
Yes.
when he appeared.
Right. When it first came out, people just were so surprised that, he actually applied for this contest, Superstar K, from the very first season. So he tried five
He
times.
did?
Yes.
He tried
five
five
times.
times?
5 times, but he never made it to the actual round.
Are you serious?
Yes, then luckily he got the chance to compete on TV,
Mm-hmm.
and ever since he just started singing, his fans just grew dramatically.
Oh.
He became a highly promising contestant.
A lot of people had a high expectation, right?
Yes, in the beginning.
What was the song that he actually sang in the
That's,
audition program? What was the
by
famous one?
이승철,
Oh,
넌 또 다른 나.
넌 또 다른 나.
Yep.
What's the English sub of it?
You're another myself.
Oh, I see. I need to hear this first one. I know this song.
Right.
All right, so let's take a listen to this track a little bit, and then we'll be back.
All right.
불현대 난 말하고 봤어 이럴 땐 촛불이 더욱 어울리지만 지금 내 입속에 소용돌이 짓는 한마디 내 눈 감는 날까지 널 곁에 두고 싶다는 세상 끝에 홀로 버려진 나를
Yes, he gained a lot of popularity, especially from the girls,
Girls.
because this song is just an amazing song. And
It's a
it's
beautiful song.
Seung-chul's song. Who sings Seung-chul's song? Because Seung-chul is
Unless
the...
you're like super
amazing.
confident. Yes, he's great.
Because Seung-chul is like, he's the legendary. We're not
Yeah.
gonna, I don't know if we're gonna talk about tonight about him, but Seung-chul is just great.
Yeah, let's not get into him. Just there's so many things that we have to talk.
Exactly.
He's
All
a
right.
great singer.
And so this was one of them. And there's another song that he gained a lot of popularity with, right?
Yes.
So that was
내 사람.
내 사랑. That was Hwani from Fly to the Sky. He sang this song, and actually now he Park Si-won made a cover of his song, right?
Yes, during the competition.
Okay. And it's this song. Let's take a listen to this one a little bit.
무슨 말을 먼저 꺼낼까 할 말이 많아서 망설이다가 찾아요 한마디 그대 집 앞에 서서 편지처럼 내려놓고 돌아서 되돌아오는 길 요란스럽게 기죠 이럴 땐 반드시 눈물이 나요 누군가 볼까봐 소매로스 눈물 훔치고 그냥
Wow, so this is 내 사람, right? The song.
Yes, all the songs he covered, I especially like his voice because when he sings, sounds like he's like talking to you.
Right, and
He really means it.
he really means it. And then I think it's from his know-how. I believe that he had kind of rough time and
Yes,
hardship going on.
right,
So
right.
let's still talk about that a
Yeah,
little bit.
while he was appearing in the show, at that time his job was can you imagine, heavy equipment mechanic.
He was
He was a mechanic.
He
like,
was.
Yeah, he was a guy who fixes those equipments.
really
Like those big,
the equipment.
the equipment, like cranes and stuff.
Oh my
He was
goodness.
known as a bolt guy, like bolts
Bolt?
and nuts.
Oh my goodness.
Because he used to carry those stuff in his pocket
He used to carry those in his pockets.
in order to get used to those parts, to get the feel of it.
Wow, but he never had a chance. But the only thing was to apply for the audition. And
Yes.
he already tried 5 times, right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I
He
see.
said he got accepted to a music school.
Oh, he did?
Yes, but he couldn't afford the tuition.
Oh no!
That's kind of sad. And he wanted to join his friend's band as vocalist, but he
Right.
couldn't get in
Oh, he could not get in.
because maybe he didn't have the experience. Who knows?
Okay.
Anyways,
The resume. Okay.
Yes. So he basically, all he could do was just trying for the audition.
And
Just
then
keep trying.
he actually tried, and then he got that opportunity. And he didn't actually win, but in my mind, I thought he was the winner. I
Same
don't
here.
know.
Yeah.
Yes. But he debuted it, right? After
Yes.
that.
Yeah, after
Uh-huh.
that. Before his debut, he just before a couple months, before he made his first single, he recorded an OST for the TV series 응급남녀.
응급남녀, the
Yeah.
emergency, right?
Emergency, man and woman.
Right. So that was the original track. Oh, he sang it. All right, so
Song.
let's listen to this track.
All right.
그때,
그때 우리
그때 우리
사랑.
사랑은, is that right? 그때 우리 사랑은 The Way We Loved by 박시환. We'll be back.
잠을 머뭇대다 흩어지는 빗소리 계절은 우리 사이 어딘가로 흐르고 그렇게 한동안 귀 기울여 보았어 그대 기억에 그리워지는 게 참 많아서 어느새 눈물이 차올라 사랑했지만 나는 다만 그대 사랑했지만 두고두고 아파할 걸 알지만 보낼 수밖에 그걸로 괜찮아 사랑했지만 나는 다만 그대 사랑했지만 그저 그 이유로 잊을 수밖에 다만 그대 사랑했지만 바람이 불어오듯 흩날리는 목소리 시간은 언제나 또 그대 향해 흐르고 그렇게 한동안 바라보고 있었어 그대 기억은 보고파지는 게 참 많아서 어느새 가슴이 저려와 사랑했지만 나는 다만 그대 사랑했지만 오래도록 아파할 걸 알지만 그대였으니 그걸로 괜찮아 사랑했지만 나는 다만 그대 사랑했지만 그저 그리워하는 게 다지만 다만 그대 사랑했지만 날 보던 너의 눈빛이 날 부르던 네 입술이 달뜬 눈에서 난 저밖에 빗소리도 어느새 잦아들고 기억은 파편처럼 이 공간에 흩어지고 여전히 그대를 원해 여전히 닿는 그대 잊지 말아줘 다만 그대 사랑했던 한 사람 그저 그대 그리워하던 사람 다만 그대 사랑했지만
Lovely, lovely song. That was 그때 우리 사랑은 The Way We Loved by Park Si-hwan. So he sang this original soundtrack for 응급남녀, Emergency Women and Men. And so he is talented and he can actually, fix all those like equipments at the same time. Now he's a star. He debuted, right?
He's a great singer.
So how many songs that he has right now?
From his debut album, which came out last April.
Right.
We have 5 songs, all written by famous songwriters like, 신사동 호랭이.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, he's great.
He's so famous.
He's very famous.
Uh-huh.
And 심현보, 박근태, those guys.
박근태 and many others probably because he has 5 songs that in his new album. Very nice. But do you think that he's still a mechanic?
I don't think so.
No?
Well, in his interview, he said he lived like a monk.
Lived like a monk?
Yes, after the competition.
What do you mean?
He was just preparing for his album, so he was just, going to the studio and back to his house, just back and forth.
Oh, so he was
monk.
just, I see.
Like, not like monk.
Not like
monk.
in inside of like that
Like
deep,
a
like
temple.
mountain temple,
No.
No, okay.
So, I think he's a musician, a, legitimate, like a musician.
Right.
And, just living a life he always dreamed of.
Right. Okay. So you saw him appearance on the TVs. Do you think his looks kind of changed or?
Oh, definitely.
Yeah?
At least in the music video, he got a so much shorter haircut. Very nice, decent haircut.
Wait a minute. So he had
And,
longer hair.
Yeah, when he first appeared in the show, his hair was not that short.
Oh, okay. It was long.
Wearing this, sweat.
The hoodie?
The hoodies.
Just
regular.
I see. But now he's like celebrity.
Yeah, in the
nice
video,
guy.
he's wearing this like dandy suit.
Oh.
But it looks good
I
on
see.
those suits.
I mean, I'm sure. I mean, I can imagine. It's like transformation of mechanic to this singer.
Right. And I think, people really wanted to see him becoming a the whole process. I think a lot of people enjoyed those process of him becoming a mechanic,
transformation.
The transformation, like you said.
Right, exactly.
And now he's looking like a celebrity.
I mean, he is celebrity now, right? So, any other songs that you want to recommend for our listeners today?
Sure. Yeah, let's listen to the title track.
Exactly, that was what I'm waiting for.
Yes.
And what's the title of it?
It's a title track called 다만 그대로.
다만 그대를.
다만 그대로.
Okay, and the English sub is I Just Loved You. Okay, so what we're going to do is listen to this track, 다만 그대를, I Just Loved You by Park Si-hwan.
잠을 머뭇댔다 흩어지는 빗소리 계절은 우리 사이 어딘가로 흐르고 그렇게 한동안 귀 기울여 보았어 그대 기억에 그리워지는 게 참 많아서 어느새 눈물이 차올라 사랑했지만 나는 다만 그대 사랑했지만 두고두고 아파할 걸 알지만 보낼 수밖에 그걸로 괜찮아 사랑했지만 나는 다만 그대 사랑했지만 그저 그 이유로 다만 그대 사랑했지만 바람이 불어듯 날리는 목소리 시간은 언제나 또 그대 향해 흐르고 그렇게 한동안 바라보고 있었어 그대 기억은 보고 빠지는 게 참 많아서 어느새 가슴이 저려와 사랑했지만 걸로 괜찮아 사랑했지만 난 다만 그댈 사랑했지만 그저 그리워하는 게 다지만 다만 그대 사랑했지만 날 보던 너의 눈빛이 날 부르던 네 입술이 달뜬 눈에서 난 태웠잖아
창밖의 빗소리도 어느새 잦아들고 기억은 파편처럼 이 공간에 흩어지고 여전히 그대를 원해 여전히 다만 그대를
잊지 말아줘 다만 그대 사랑했던 한 사람 그저 그대 그리워하던 사람 다만 그대 사랑했지만
Yes, welcome back everyone. You're listening to Sound Okay, and I'm your DJ Stephanie. We do have Yeom of GateFlowers joining us in the studio for the Rookie to Legendary, and that song was 다만 그대를 I Just Loved You by Park Si-hwan. That was our Rookie for today. But now it is time to talk about the Legendary. Dun dun dun, right?
All right.
So, who is the legendary? Because we've been talking about Yoon Jong-shin and Cho Sung-mo.
Last time.
Last time, like 3 weeks ago. That was
3 weeks
a long
ago, yeah.
time ago.
That's right.
What about today? Do we have a male singer?
No, unfortunately. Unfortunately for me, this legendary singer is a female.
Okay.
And I think this legendary singer, she has the most gifted voice of all time.
Who is it?
After all these years, and she still sounds the same. Just amazing. Her name is Lee Sun-hee.
Lee Sun-hee.
Yep.
So she appeared on the TV talk show not too long ago.
Not too long ago.
And she is she is the inspiration of this female artist for us
Right.
and for me. I know there's a age gap between, but you know what? She is still, and I cannot believe she said about her age something, but I could not believe her.
Her first debut was 30 years ago.
30 years ago,
30
and she
years,
looks
3
the
decades.
same.
She looks exactly the
She
same.
looks the same. I'm like,
This is not fair.
that is not fair. I'm like, I'm not. It's like, no.
Don't
that
worry,
is not
you
true.
look younger. Then,
Excuse
actually, no, I mean, you look, you look, I mean, you look young.
Excuse me?
No, what I mean is, of course, I mean, I'm not comparing.
You look
with
younger. Wow.
No.
Stab in the back.
I'm
Stab
sorry.
in the back.
That's not what I meant.
No, seriously.
you know
Oh
what
my
I
goodness,
meant.
you're hilarious. But anyways, so we are talking about Lee Sun-hee, right?
Yep.
Okay, so I mean, she is the queen of this,
Yes.
K-pop, and especially the golden age of K-pop was 80s and 90s, right? What was the famous song that she sang?
This is a song called 제이에게.
제이에게?
To J.
To J.
Yeah, this is the one.
Oh, is this one?
This is a song that she sang for the 5th annual 강변가요제 in
Okay.
English, Riverside Music Competition
Riverside Music Competition.
in 1984.
1984?
Yep.
This song is older than me.
Yes. She won the first place with this song.
She won the first place.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so let's take a listen to this track a little bit.
Okay.
오늘도 좋은 그대 그리워하네 지난 밤 꿈속에 만났던 모습은 내 가슴 속 깊이
Oh my goodness. I think I
remember?
heard this song when I was really young. Like really young.
I
but
remember.
I thought this was her debut song.
No, well, this is a song that made herself known to a lot of people.
Okay, but because she won the competition, 강변가요제, Riverside
Right.
Music Competition, and long ago, Korea it was very important to win on that competitions, right? Like the college competition
Yeah.
and Riverside music competition. I see. And she won. Okay.
Like, we have all the audition programs, exactly the same.
Right, but long
for-
ago,
for
I
college
got it.
kids.
I see, I see. Okay.
And the following year, in 1985, she came out with the debut album and with a title song called 아 옛날이요. You know that.
Ah, 옛날이요. We're like,
Similar.
옛날이요. Is that right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's this one.
Yep.
I know this one. I know this one. So when
been a
was
while.
this?
This is 1985, the following year.
How do I know this song? These songs are older than me.
This is like classics. I mean, I was like really, really little
Right.
when these songs came
I
out.
love this song.
Nice chorus.
Huh? All right. So
Rocking.
compared to
Compared to Jay,
uh-huh.
Jay, this is more like a rocking sound, and she definitely has a great loud voice.
She does.
She's such a small.
I mean, her portion is small.
Yes,
uh-huh.
yes,
But she has
vocally.
that great vocal style, like power. It's like very powerful vocal.
Right, and
Uh-huh.
she's really famous for that, really boyish look.
Like tomboy
look, and
like
she's
short hair,
very short hair,
and the glasses. But
just
she's
round.
still the round and big glasses. But she still wears that glasses.
And she really looks the same.
She looks the same. She still has that short hair
Yeah,
also.
definitely,
I see. So that was 아 옛날이요, right? I love that part. 아 옛날이요.
Yeah, I remember me and my friends when we were really, really little, we used to sing along with this song because it was like,
But
it was like really,
the key is really high, right?
we didn't really care.
Oh, you're like, 옛날. And 옛날이요
singers.
means the old days,
Yes,
right? So it can be,
old days.
my old days.
I was like 4, 3, 5.
And I wasn't even born.
Wow.
Anyways, so talking about 이선희, were you the fan of 이선희?
I was more like into American pop.
Right.
But one of my favorite songs by 이선희 is a song called 알고 싶어요.
알고 싶어요. I think I have to listen
I
to that
Want to
one.
Know.
I want to know. That's the song.
Song came out in 1986 from her third album. I mean, she just has so many hits. Just
Of course, she's a legendary. I mean, we can't even
Yeah.
count. It's countless.
exactly. And there's this another song from her 10th album in 1996 called 라일락이 질 때.
Her 10th album was in 1996.
Yeah.
Okay.
In
She
10
definitely
years,
is
10 album.
the
And that
legendary,
album is meaningful because
uh-huh.
in that album she wrote like all of the songs and arranged
Literally,
songs
right, she
literally,
composed-
except just one song. She was a composer and arranger.
Okay.
But when he first came out, she was just a singer with great, charming voice. Really very clear,
Right.
and
Very vivid. Uh-huh.
yes, very vivid. And 10 years, But okay, this is the thing. When she was actively performing in the 90s, she wasn't very successful as
She was.
in the 80s. When you compare those two decades.
Really? But she's still at the, hitting the number one chart
There are like
every single day.
yes, but there are ups
Literally.
and downs.
Right,
in her
true.
life.
But even it's like, ups and downs, she was still the legendary
Of course.
of K-pop, right?
Of course.
So you are recommending to us tonight is 알고 싶어요, I want to know, and 라일락이 질 때, when lilac is falling, maybe that's the title. Okay, what we're going to do is listen to those two awesome tracks. 알고 싶어요, I want to know by 이선희, and Falling by 라일락이 질 때, when lilac is falling.
밝은 밤에 그대는 누구를 생각하세요? 잠이 들면 그대는 무슨 꿈 꾸시나요? 깊은 밤에 홀로 깨어 눈물 흘리며 내 날카로운 흔적을 남겨둬 보고픈 건 미련이 남아서일 거야 이젠 내 품에서 벗어나고 있네 돌아보진 마 내가 안타까웠어 혹시라도 눈길 주진 마 생각하지도 마 또 다른 내 삶에서 나와 함께 했던 그 기억들 다시는 만질 수 없겠지 따스한 너의 체온을 다시는 만질 수 없겠지 따스한 너의 체온을
Thank you for tuning in. You're listening to Sound K, and I'm your DJ, Stephanie. We do have Yeomgita of GateFlower joining us in the studio for Rookie to Legendary. And we've been talking about 이선희 for the Legendary tonight. And that was 알고 싶어요, I want to know, and 라일락이 칠 때, when lilac is falling. Now I do remember. I was really young, but she haven't changed at all. Even her vocal style.
Especially her voice, like the style, and she keeps her own originality
Right.
in her voice. Mm-hmm. And I think she's really gifted.
She is. She is just totally gifted. So how about this new album that we're going to talk about? It's so that was, we were talking about her 10th album, right? The music album in 1996, something
yes.
like that. And how many album? I don't know.
This is her 15th album.
This is her 15th.
15th.
Oh my goodness.
Yep.
Are you sure? So 15th album, and it was, her debut was like about 30 years ago.
Right.
Oh my goodness. So how about the, any like a remake or like cover? Actually, that a lot of people did.
Yeah, a lot of people
her
covered her
song.
song. I don't think she covered many songs, but a lot of people covered her songs.
Right, exactly.
Like
What's
the song
the-
called
the-
나 항상 그대를.
Oh my
나
goodness.
항상 그대를.
그리워하는데.
Yeah, this one. Like, Kim Jong-un, the actress.
Right, she was. She
she
sang
covered.
this in the movie.
가문의
I
영광.
believe. Oh, 가문의 영광. That was it. Oh,
It was a comedy.
right. It was a comedy.
Like a comedy
Movie.
gangster movie.
And also Pada actually covered this song
And
too.
YB.
And YB.
Yeah, 윤도현 band.
나 항상 그대를. Oh, I love this song. Let's take a listen to this song.
Yep.
맘처럼 가까울 순 없어 오늘도 빛바랜 맑은 사진 속에 그대 모습 그리워하네 나 항상 그대를 그리워하네
Oh my goodness. Good. I'm like waiting for this part. I like want to like listen to this song forever because I saw that movie, the 가문의 영광. I don't know the English sub of it, but Kim Jong-un she starred in that movie and she was playing the piano.
Right.
And
Yeah, I
then she
remember
sang
that
it,
part.
right? And that really touched me. I don't know why. She was like crying. I'm like, oh my goodness, That's why, but it was her song. 나 항상 그대를. Oh my goodness. I always, maybe this is the subtitle.
I am
maybe?
always...
dot.
That's
Yeah. Oh my goodness. So 30 years. 30 years.
30 years is a long time. And she was not just a singer or a musician.
No?
No, she was a wife. She was a...
Well, that, yes, of course.
And, she was a mother. And not only that, she was a member of a Seoul City Council.
She was a council? She was a member of the council?
Yes.
The city council?
Yes, she was.
Really?
She was.
So
For-
she's
for
actually
4
she's
years.
also smart.
She's smart.
She's intelligent and she's talented. And she can compose, she can produce, and she's the wife, she's the mom. She's a mom?
She's a mom. And she was also a producer.
Yes.
Yeah.
So who are we talking about?
이승기.
Isungi, of course, because I saw the two artists, Lee-sungi and Isungi.
They're the same label.
Right, exactly. And at the same TV program. That's how I knew, because I didn't really know that Isungi. I mean, Lee-sungi was the boss,
Right.
actually, the
And
teacher.
They're
right?
they're actually related. Isungi is Isungi's nephew.
What?
You didn't know that.
I did not know that.
Right, that's true.
Really?
Uh-huh.
Oh my goodness. I just know that Isungi is the boyfriend of because you know, she's my junior in my same agency.
Right.
And so yeah, but I did not know Isungi was a nephew of Lee-sungi.
That's right.
Oh, I see. So let's talk about a little bit more about Lee-sungi and Isungi.
Okay, so, Lee-sungi definitely helped her nephew
Okay.
becoming a big star.
Oh, he's huge.
And after all, through these years, we talked about those less successful years in the 90s, but she made a great comeback in 2005.
2005?
With her 13th album.
I debuted in 2005, and that was her 13th album
Yup.
year. Wow.
And there's this great song written by her called 인연. Fate. Featured in the OST, 왕의 남자.
왕의 남자.
The King's Man.
King's Man.
Great film.
I love that movie.
I love that movie too.
I love that song also.
And this song was quite a hit.
Oh, yes, huge hit.
Huge hit.
And also another like a TV series and
Yeah, she did a few.
She did several, right?
Several OSTs. Like the one that 이승기 starred. 내 여자친구는 꿈이요. My girlfriend is
was
a
a nine-tailed fox. Right.
A song called Fox Rain, 여우비.
여우비.
So 이승기 sang a few songs in those times.
For the OST.
For the OST.
For the movies and the dramas.
And in the
Alright.
following year, she had her own concert at the Carnegie Hall in New York.
Okay.
In 2011, she's after 2010, she did a lot of work.
Oh, great research, because I did not know this. Oh, I see. So, we are going to take a listen to 인연, right?
Yep.
Fate. Okay, so let's listen to this fantastic song, 인연, Fate by 이선희.
약속해요 이 순간이 다 지나고 다시 보게 되는 그날 모든 걸 버리고 그대 곁에 서서 남은 길을 가리란 걸 인연이라고 하죠
Thank you for tuning in. You're listening to Sound K, and I'm your DJ, Stephanie. We do have Yeom of GateFlowers joining us in studio for the Rookie to Legendary, and this was Fate. 2년 by Isoni. I was literally dancing Korean traditional dance.
This song was just a huge hit.
I love this song. It's like, how could not like this song? And her voice is just like, oh my goodness. I'm like crying in the studio right now.
Sounds just so oriental.
It is. It is. But anyway, so that was 2년 Fate by Isoni.
Right.
And actually, it is already time to say introduce the last song because last song is pretty important. Not pretty important. Very important.
Very important.
Because this is the new song that she brought for the audience, right?
And
what is it?
Song called 그중에 그대를 만나.
Meet him among them.
Among them.
I played this song for our listeners, and because personally, I love this song. Of course, I love every single song of hers.
This song, although, Isoni, she's almost like 50 in her 50s. She is because, she was like 20-some year old.
Right.
And, it's been 30 years.
True.
And this song just came out and just topped the chart.
She did.
For quite a while.
I mean, of course, it's pretty obvious because this song is just amazing. And her vocal style haven't changed.
It sounds even stronger and clearer.
And then she is still flying, and then I admire her. So the last song that we are going to take a listen to is 그중에 그대를 만나, Meet Him Among Them by Isoni, right?
Yep.
But actually, because I have to make a closer because it is already time. But before I go, I need to announce today's quiz. It was number 2, Baekji-young, and congratulations for the quiz winner. We are going to announce your name every Monday, so be sure to check that out. And tonight's program was made possible by our producer Jung Jin-ok and writer Kim Mina and Kim Da-young, and myself, your host Stephanie, with here Yeom of GateFlowers. This is the first time that I'm like, you're here and I'm like closing.
I was outside, but
most of the
never
time
inside.
you're outside. Exactly.
Right, never inside.
But anyways, what we're going to do is take a listen to this track, 그중에 그대를 만나, Meet Him Among Them by Isoni, and I will see you next week.
We'll do that.
Alright, thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Bye.